Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to log in to the Duo Mobile app. So if you're new to Duo Mobile, then just follow along. Unlike many other apps, Duo Mobile doesn't require you to sign in with a username and password. Instead, the app works by storing your enrolled accounts after you activate them. And to get started, you need to install Duo Mobile and open it. Then tap Add Account and scan the QR code provided by the website or service you're protecting. And once an account has been added, Duo Mobile will automatically display it whenever you open the app. Then from there, you can approve push notifications or generate verification passcodes. So that was how to log in to the Duo Mobile app. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.